So Fitteens is a 6-week program. It's after school. It's a fitness program. We assess all the kids at the beginning. We assess them at the end in terms of their fitness abilities. We award the most improved fitness ability. We also award a spirit of fitness. We go 4 days a week for about an hour each day. Those 4 with fitness program or fitness workouts, and then 1 day a week we do nutrition education cooking class in partnership with Cooking Matters. We also take some body and health metrics. We don't track those so much as record them, for describing our population. Our focus is really on the performance and how we achieve that improvement. We don't spend a lot of time talking about weight loss as a goal for the program. We talk about improvement, goal setting, and using fitness to achieve those ends. We're working with 3 high schools. We've worked with a number of after-school programs as well, but right now we're working with Maynard Jackson High School, Decatur High School, and Grady High School. Mm-hmm. We're also working with Inman Middle School to start a program with them soon. We've worked with a couple different boys and girls clubs, as well as the East Atlanta Kids Club and the Study. Most of our kids have not done any sort of organized after-school physical activity whatsoever, and so it can be a little intimidating just to, strap on some tennis shoes and be asked to run a lap when that's something they haven't done, since their middle school gym class. When the question is asked, who in your family who here know somebody with diabetes? Mm-hmm. Is somebody in your family or you? And they, it's 2/3 to 75% easily each time we ask that question. And it's that someone in your family. I mean that'll get almost every hand up, generally speaking. But I've yet to meet the kid that needs to be told they're fat. They know if they're overweight, or they may not know the actual dividing line between overweight and obese, or overweight and normal weight, but they know they're heavy. And again, we don't have to spend a lot of time talking about that, the benefits of not being that, right, of being a healthy weight, having activity. Some part of it. Now, whether they do it or not, that's where we come in. Show up, they have fun, they learn something about actually how to do fitness, they get that improvement over the course of the program, and now they understand a little bit better what it means to try hard, to set a goal and really work hard to be better than they were yesterday. And we call that you versus you mindset. They're really competing against themselves to be better than they were before. And we describe that in a number of ways, but that's really the ultimate goal. Self-efficacy, I think it's thrown around a lot in literature. That is the ultimate goal of our program. And every one of those kids, when we ask them, why did you stick it out when other kids didn't? Right? What was different about you or your situation where you finished this program and another kid didn't? But it always has something to do, intrinsic. I wanted to do it for me, and I did. And that is the win. That is the ultimate goal. I don't know if it's teenagers universally or just the state of kids today. How old do I need to sound? But it's really cool not to try, right? You don't want to look bad. So better not to try than to look bad.
So it's a lot about embarrassment as well.
There definitely is that. Yeah. Now, and more than that, even to sign up and try something new, that is a big barrier as well. We'll get a lot of kids in groups to come up together. It's rare that we get somebody who doesn't know anybody else in the program. Teachers help us recruit kids that they think might really benefit from our program. But if they're alone and don't have another friend with them, it's really tough to keep them feeling safe and feeling supported. And that's really where the power of if we're good at anything, it's motivating kids just to take another step and keep trying. We get a lot of kids that have to work out in jeans because they don't have anything else. So we're good about finding those resources and trying to provide those. Getting shoes, girls, having a adequate, supportive sports bra is a very big challenge. I don't want to overuse that word. A lot of our participants have never even worn a sports bra and don't even understand the difference or the need or how it can help them in this context. And so, there's a lot of education just about, physical culture going on. I'm in the fitness business, and I know what most people's workout regimen really is. And these kids are going far and above that for 6 weeks at a time. And that is worth celebrating. And we really want that to be a moment where they can stand up and be proud